Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This spring I made a video regarding gardening. Today I want to show you how my garden evolved. I've got some shots for you from May and some shots from June. This spring I did a video about 7 days of gardening where I showed you how I planted and sowed flowers and vegetables. Now I want to show you how it's going. These shots from early May show you I have all my vegetables starting to make an appearance. The salad, lettuce, radish and green onion. This is my mini vegetable garden made of an old store shelf. The strawberries are going well too. By how many flowers they have, you can tell there will be a lot of strawberries. Here I want to show you also from early May all the daffodils and hyacinths I have in my front yard. They are so fragrant. In this wooden planter I sowed a mix of flowers and now they are rising from the soil. I had some greenery in these two pots, but they needed sunlight, and because here at the door it's a shaded area, they died. So now I planted two ferns because they live well into a shaded spot. I love their look. My orchid is going very well. It has a lot of flowers. Orchids don't need direct sunlight either, so I placed them on the windowsill. Here I have a pot lavender. And here is the wooden planter towards the end of May. If you remember, in my spring video I planted two mixes of bulbs. Here they are. The first roses are showing up. I love roses. At the end of May, my beautiful peony blooms too, an amazing color. Here I have a succulent. Carnations are a must in a garden because of their special scent. Here I have some petunias. This snowball got so big and has so many flowers. It's insane. Too bad the flowers don't last longer. Look at this beauty. flowers, I don't even know what they are. I don't even remember planting them. We will see. Here is my vegetable garden at the end of May. The lettuce is bigger, the green onion is ready to eat, and the radish almost. I don't understand why, even though I used the same seeds and the same soil, this radish is small and this other is already ripe. Mystery. Is there someone out there who can tell me why that is? We can make a salad. I know the lettuce is too close to each other, but I don't have the space to plant it, so it will stay here. The strawberries are starting to grow. Here we are at the beginning of June. The strawberries are getting red. Yum! The roses are all in full bloom. All these colorful carnations fill my garden with a wonderful scent. I wish you could smell it. The mix of bulbs is starting to bloom, and the wooden planter flowers are starting to bloom too. When growing roses, it's important to choose a site receiving at least 6 hours of sun each day. Rose bushes must also be located in well-drained, fertile soil. Roses are so elegant and delight all the senses. Here I have my calla lilies. The oleander is about to bloom. Lily begin to bloom. Roses are an explosion of color and scents. If you want to see the video where I planted and sowed in the spring, I will link it at the end of this video. It's called How to Spring Clean the Garden, Why it's Important Having a Hobby. The lavender will bloom soon, and here I have an African daisy. Here I have other flowers. And here my Zorro while he's enjoying the garden. He loves sleeping under this plant, such a cutie. The honeysuckle is starting to bloom and I wish you could smell it. Divine! Here the bumblebee is so busy with my rose arch. The vegetable garden is looking good. And the strawberries? I let you appreciate the result. Here I have mint and apples. Please let me know in the comments below about your garden. Here I have some red berries, but someone is eating them. I suspect the snails. Look at this. This was my garden tour. I hope you enjoyed and I hope it gave you some motivation, inspiration or ideas for your garden. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it and see you next time. Bye!